Aam Aadmi Party to hold a show of strength against Centre's ordinance on June 11. Aam Aadmi Party to hold Aam Aadmi Party to hold a show of strength against Centre's ordinance on June 11. Opposition parties should come together. This is time for Agni Pariksha. This is time for Agni Pariksha, says Aam Aadmi Party's Sanjay Singh. Kejriwal does not want administration to be run from the office of the Chief Secretary, alleges BJP. The Aam Aadmi Party will organize a Maha Rally, Grand Rally at the Ramlila Maidan on June 11 in a show of strength against the ordinance on services passed by the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP ruled center last week. The announcement about the rally comes even as Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal is reaching out to the opposition leaders to stall the bill from replacing the ordinance in the Rajya Sabha. Delhi BJP chief Virendra Sachdeva said Aam Aadmi Party is expressing such outrage over the ordinance as Mr. Kejriwal does not want the administration to be run from the office of the Chief Secretary but from the Delhi Dialogue and Development Commission office and through the officials appointed by him. The ordinance effectively reverses the Supreme Court's May 11 judgment on the issue of services, which gave the elected regime the power to wield control over the Delhi government officials. As part of his outreach to the opposition, Mr. Kejriwal on Sunday met Bihar Chief Minister and Janata Dal United leader Nitish Kumar and Deputy Chief Minister and Rashtriya Janata Dal leader Tejasvi Yadav. On Tuesday, he is flying to Kolkata to meet West Bengal Chief Minister and Trinamool Congress Chief Mamata Banerjee. The next day, he is headed to Mumbai on a two-day trip to meet Nationalist Congress Party patriots Sharad Pawar and Shiv Sena UBT leader Uddhav Thackeray. Threat to federalism. Senior Aam Aadmi Party leader and Rajya Sabha member Sanjay Singh said the issue of the ordinance was not limited to Delhi and that it undermines the federal structure of the country. All opposition parties should come together against the ordinance. This is the time for Agni Pariksha, trial by fire. There is a state of emergency in the country, Mr. Singh said at a press conference here on Monday. When asked whether Aam Aadmi Party will reach out to the Congress, Mr. Singh said the Congress will also have to decide it is if it stands in favor of India's democracy and federal structure, urging the residents of the national capital to participate in the Maha Rally in large numbers. A Delhi Minister Gopal Rai said the ordinance could pave the way for the centre to undermine elected state governments across the country. The people of Delhi have been fighting since former Chief Minister Madan Lal Khurana's time to make it a full-fledged state. Now the BJP says it will not let Delhi remain half or even a quarter of the state it is supposed to be. Mr. Rai, Aam Aadmi Party's Delhi convener, said. Atmosphere of fear. Atmosphere of fear. Mr. Sachdeva said the centre had to bring the ordinance as after the apex court's May 11 verdict, the same administrative arbitrariness was seen in Delhi as was observed after the Arvind Kejriwal government came to power in 2015. He said there was an atmosphere of fear among the bureaucrats in the city. Besides, how is the public affected if an authority headed by the chief minister takes the decisions on the transfers and postings of senior officials? He added.